Hello everyone. There is a lot of speculation about the third wave and that it will affect more children and more severely. Now, where did this start from? A certain person gave a statement about this which was blown out of proportion and splashed all across the newspapers and the media. In fact, a few days later, the given person even issued a clarification that what he meant was we should be prepared about a third wave and the possibility that more children will be affected. That is absolutely correct. There is no harm in being prepared, but unfortunately, this statement led to a lot of panic, lot of scare among parents. I got so many messages, calls. One television actress on Mother's Day gave a statement that she cried for half an hour when she read the news. So, is it really going to happen? Frankly speaking, we cannot say as of now. What I have seen is we have not been able to make very correct predictions about COVID-19 the world over. In India, a second wave of COVID-19 was predicted during November-December post the Diwali celebrations, but that did not happen. Then there were lots of articles that scientists all over the world were studying why India is not getting the second wave. And then suddenly we have this massive COVID-19 outbreak in March and April, which was really, I never read anybody predicting such a big outbreak in March and April. Similarly, yes, a third wave is being predicted. And why they are saying that children will be more affected, the logic is that many of the adults will be vaccinated by that time. So they may not have the infection or may have asymptomatic infection. So in proportion, the number of children affected will be more. But will it be more severe in children as compared to the first and second wave? I really cannot say unless the virus mutates into something which affects the child more. But so far our experience with children has been very good. I see almost 10 to 15 children of COVID-19 every day, either physically or through online consultations. And in the last 1.5 months, only 2 of those children required admission. That too just for 2 days, nothing major, no serious complications in those 2 children as well. Now, does this mean that we should not be worried? No, it does not mean that. But the basic principles of COVID-19 protection you need to follow: face mask, social distancing and hand washing. If you are taking the children outdoors, outdoor spaces are much safer. So younger children can wear face shields if they are not wearing face masks. Lot of easy to wear face shields are coming for younger kids. So just follow these basic principles. We cannot lie to ourselves saying that the second wave came out of the blue, the virus is more virulent. No, nobody was following the precautions. There were so many gatherings, there were birthday parties, there were political rallies. So if we follow the basic principles, I think there is no need to panic even if there is a third wave. So in fear of the third wave, don't lock your children indoors and don't completely keep them confined indoors. Once the second wave starts showing a downward trend, I think outdoor play for children should be allowed again because it is important for their physical, mental and psychological well-being. Now in contrast to COVID-19, I would like to give you an example of dengue. In dengue peak season also I was seeing similar number of cases, but daily I was admitting 1 or 2 children and some of them even required ICU care. But did out of fear of dengue you keep your child indoors? No, you did not do that. So yes, take adequate precautions, no unnecessary gatherings, no going out without mask, but do not panic. Thank you.